So in this video, we're going to talk about Fubo TV, and as we can see from the daily chart, price sold off after they reported Q3 revenue of 377 million. Yes, that was up 21% year over year. Paid subscriptions also increased by 9% to 1.6 million subscribers, and their net loss narrowed to 54.7 million. Now, despite these positive results, again, the stock fell 12% due to ongoing net losses, cash burn concerns, and 11% decline in advertising revenue. However, looking ahead, the company said and projects Q4 revenue between 426 million and 446 million, signaling confidence in its longer-term prospects. Now, I do want to bring your attention, this is the monthly chart, and we do have this huge monthly buy level at 115. Right, that was formed back in the spring of 2023. You had a drop in price, basing candles in the rally higher. I did have a target at $4, but price could not get to that level. It was roughly shy, about 20 cents. You do have a daily sellers level, and then we'll look at a bit closer. You got to keep in mind it's in the middle between the highs and the lows. So anything in the middle, expect choppy, sideways price action. Price has attempted to get to that level and was about 25 cents short before sellers push price back down. All right, let's go to the weekly chart. All right, so this candle, this was this past week. Again, ended the week lower and lower than the previous week. All right, so we're going to see on the daily chart, because that's where all the really action's at. I'll point out to you a couple of levels of interest. You can see this level. If I put my zone, you can see that was a weekly buy level nested within a monthly buy level. And you had price bounce, range bound candles, basing candles, and on this candle you had the rally out on higher than normal volume, and so this set the stage for this monthly buy setup. Price comes back. Now, if you wanted to get into this level, you wait for price to take out some rejection wicks, and then you wait for the pullback. You have this rally base. Now, this candle on the bottom, this wick on the bottom of the candle signifies that the level to buy was, again, drop, base, rally. That was the level to get long. Now, I do want to point out to you some levels on the daily chart. All right, so kind of similar to what we saw on the weekly chart, you have this making and the monthly chart. You have this rally, a couple of basic candles in the rally out, followed by a gap. This was earnings. This was pre-earnings, or this was after earnings, after investors digested the news. And so this is the level of interest here. This is we're going to call this a daily buy level. All right, so let's move this over. We're going to call that daily buy level at 130. Do have a gap fill, or a gap rather, that needs to get filled at near that $2 level. Yeah, short-term resistance. So I guess in conclusion, Fubo TV is not a buy. However, it would be selling at a discount once you get sub 140, and you have levels nested within levels on top of levels on multiple time frames. And so this is the setup. Go long about 125 with a target at about 180, 190. And that can take out days and weeks to pan out, but I do anticipate the smart money stepping back in again once price enters, or if price enters, these regions in the future. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.